Hey everyone, I'm coming to you today, December 14th, from Little Italy in Windsor, Ontario. Nice windy, cold day, about 3 degrees Celsius. Let's start our tour. Little Italy is a nice little ethnic neighborhood. Spans over half a dozen blocks. Ahead, we're approaching Langlois. That looks like an interesting restaurant called Junkies. Never heard of it. It should be good. I'll have to check it on Google Reviews. Architectural buildings. This is the La Stella supermarket. Got some really good foods in there. Boy, my hands are freezing right now. Even though it's 3 degrees Celsius, there's a wind factor, and look at this, it's all turning red on me. Ahead we got a monument and a roundabout. I think this is a really interesting area of the city to visit if you ever decide to vacation in Windsor. In the summer they have festivals like Carousel of the City, and they actually have a bunch of restaurants open up their street patios, and a lot of people fill up these streets. This event is usually middle to late June. It's got nice little clothing boutiques, salons, restaurants. This area certainly has a lot of restaurants. And I'm sure because it's Italian restaurants, they're very good. They even have a staffing agency. Walkerville Pharmacy. Retirement living place. Looks nice and clean. Nice big sidewalks. Erie Street Gastropub. Now we're heading towards Ellesmere. Nice church in the distance. Shred Shop Wellness Complex. Never been there. Another clothing boutique. Men's clothing and accessories. Women's clothing boutique. Nice apartment building, 4 stories. That was built in the next block over, which is Marintet. Mezzo Restaurant, which is a really good restaurant. If you're ever down here, you should check it out. Yeah, surprisingly lots of people inside. Another hair salon. Tessa Restaurant. Restaurant. Daniela Cafe. Across the street we have Vibe Cafe, Law Office. This here is a community center. Another hair salon. Albanian Eagle. Spago's Restaurant, which I heard is a pretty good restaurant. John's Import Textiles. Another restaurant called Toast. A law office followed by a vape center. Dental office, lounge, and Bacchus Restaurante. Coming up is Lillian Street. Right across the street you have a custom tailor, a bakery. Here we have another tailor, shoe repair. So here's another clothing store, the gift store, flowers and gift baskets, another restaurant, printing house, followed by another restaurant. Across the street you have Solar Nails, another hair salon. This neighborhood pretty much has everything you can imagine. Right in the distance there you can see the high rises in downtown Windsor. And now we're approaching Howard Ave. Right across from the street we have Borelli Cellars, followed by another law office in the other corner. And you can see the Ren Center in Detroit from a distance. Across the street we have a chocolatier, dental place, another bakery, hair salon across the street, and we're at Highland Avenue. Right ahead of us is the Bodega Wine Bar, and they still have their patio outside. That should be a pretty nice place to visit in the future. Just a nice little 9-story high-rise ahead of us. And right in front of it is Weigel Park. So, I'm running out of space on this drive. So if you like these walks, please click like and subscribe.